Chicken. It's packed with protein, easy to cook, and a favorite for anyone trying to lose weight or build muscle. Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Sufia and welcome to Daily Tips, your go-to channel for quick science-backed health advice. From nutrition hacks to simple lifestyle changes, I'll help you stay fit, healthy, and full of energy every day. Subscribe now and start your journey to a better you. One tip at a time. Today we're talking about one of the most loved and versatile foods in the world, chicken. It's packed with protein, easy to cook, and a favorite for anyone trying to lose weight or build muscle, but here's the catch. Not all chicken meals are healthy. So, let's talk about how to eat chicken the right way if your goal is weight management. Chicken is one of the best sources of lean protein. Protein keeps you feeling full, reduces cravings, and boosts your metabolism, all of which are essential when you're trying to manage your weight. When you eat chicken, your body actually burns more calories during digestion. This is called the thermic effect of protein. And the best part, a 100-gram serving of skinless chicken breast gives around 30 grams of protein and only about 150 calories. So if you're cutting calories but still want to protect your muscles, chicken is a smart choice. Here's where most people go wrong. They eat chicken that's loaded with fat, oil, or heavy sauces. Fried chicken, creamy curries, and cheesy wraps might taste amazing, but they can completely cancel out the health benefits. If your goal is weight management, choose healthy cooking methods like grilling, baking, boiling, steaming, or air frying. These methods preserve protein and keep calories low. And remember, always remove the chicken skin. It's packed with saturated fat and adds unnecessary calories. To make it more balanced, pair your chicken with vegetables, whole grains, or salads. For example, grilled chicken with steamed broccoli, or baked chicken with brown rice and spinach. Perfect, filling, and low calorie. Now let's talk about how much and when to eat chicken. Eating too much protein can also lead to calorie overload, so keep your serving between 100 to 150 grams per meal. That's about the size of your palm. If you work out, the best time to eat chicken is after your workout, when your muscles need protein for recovery and growth. On rest days, you can have chicken at lunch or dinner. Just make sure to pair it with light, fiber-rich sides. Marinate your chicken in natural ingredients like lemon, yogurt, or herbs instead of oily sauces. Avoid eating chicken too late at night. Digestion slows down when you sleep. And don't rely only on chicken. Mix it up with fish, eggs, lentils, or tofu for a balanced protein intake. So, there you have it. Chicken can absolutely help with weight management if you eat it the right way. Keep it lean, cook it clean, and pair it smartly. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more healthy eating tips every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.